Hello, today I'm going to show you how to put some content into your profile for our Finder Mediator panel. So this is the panel and you're able to put images and you can put some content there about yourself. So let me just find someone who has. Excellent. So she's put her photo, her logo, a link to her business, an email address, and she's got some keywords that identify the type of work she does. So this is ideal because it lets anyone who's coming to the Find a Mediator page find you, and it also makes it easier for us to refer you. We tend to not refer people to blank profiles. And if you'll see that the link will allow people to email you directly to contact you about work. Okay, so how do you get a profile like that? Well, firstly, log in. If you're not a member, you can join Mediation Institute as a practitioner member. We just need to verify that you are actually accredited or registered as an FDRP or certified as a family group conference facilitator, and you're able to join as a practitioner member. Even if your accreditation is with someone else, it's $190 a year, and that gives you access to all of our CPD. We run a number of different events and courses and all sorts of wonderful things. The 1 hour CPD sessions are free for members and students. I've got group supervision next week, but I'm supposed to be telling you about how to update your profile. So I'm just going to log in and bear with me a moment. I'll just get a profile up. So here's my personal profile as a member. What you need to do is go to My Settings. I've already indicated that I want a public profile. I can edit that and indicate whether I want to have my mobile, my email, or both available. If you have a work phone, you can choose that instead. If you don't want to have a public profile, so perhaps you're working with a service or someone like that doesn't allow you to, or you don't want to pick up private work, then click that to hide yourself. I can click on View My Profile, and I can see here that I've got some of the keywords for the types of mediation that I'm able to do, and also a little bit about me. Oh, I need to put my supplier logo on. So that's interesting. I'll have to do that. Just as a reminder, your certificate is available here, whether you're accredited or have one of the higher levels. Okay, where you need to go to update your profile is the About Me. The About Me is the area that allows you to update your profile. You can put whatever information there. If you want to put your qualifications, whatever you feel might be appropriate, you're able to pop that there. So if it's a qualification, it won't have an end date, and you'll see the start date that is mandatory, and you're able to attach as well. And as far as these keywords, you're able to put whatever you like, whatever you're eligible for. And that allows you to do some basic editing. If you are inclined, you can click on this and put in code. So if you like to work with AI or you know how to do HTML, then you can put that there for yourself as well. Okay, so that, and once you're happy with what you've done, then you can click Save. Okay, if you need to add a logo, go to My Organisation. You should have your organisation set there, and you'll see it's got an Edit Logo button, and then you just need to upload a logo image. And hit save. Back to my settings, go down to About Me, the About Me. So that's where you want to put some information about yourself, make it so that it's inviting for people to contact you about your services. If you offer a free conversation first before they decide if they want to use your services, make sure that's nice and clear. When you finish, click Save. Okay, and then now when you do have your profile, you can actually find the link. So once it's opened, if you click on profile page, you'll see up here it changes so that it's got your details. So Craig's done a good job. He's got all of his details there. And if you copy that information, then you'll be able to use that. You can have it in your signature, you can use it wherever you like. I'm logged in, so it shows actually a different view than if I was just a visitor coming. It'll just show the profile without any of the extras. Craig, if you're watching this, you should put some more keywords in to identify some of the amazing work that you do. I know that you work with faith-based organisations to help them with their conflict management very successfully. So that would be something to highlight with your keywords and your content. Okay, that's enough.
Okay, so just to recap, log in to MI members, go to your My Settings. On the far left, you'll see Dashboard. Click on My Settings. Under My Settings, there's a whole lot of different options. Go to the About Me and update your profile, your bio, any information about yourself. Put in some keywords which will help to find you based on any areas of specialization, background, experience or knowledge that may be attractive to a potential client. If you have any other languages that you can speak or cultural understanding, all of that can be very helpful to distinguish you as a mediator. So put any of those in as keywords or in your content about you. Once you're happy with it, click Save. Remember to put a photo and there you are. Okay, that's all for now. Thank you. Bye.